Hello everybody and welcome back to new Gorilla Tag Fangame tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to add a working umbrella to your Gorilla Tag Fangame. This is all network where Photon and all that kind of stuff works. So basically what you just want to do is you want to join my Discord server. Link for that is in the description. You want to, let me just find this, scroll all the way down here and get the Unity package. This script doesn't work, it's kind of a weird one. That's just because of me, okay people. So also do not ask me why it always gets like added this stuff. It's just when I click tab and I just add something that I do not want, I just delete it instead of undoing it, so it keeps like the weird stuff. I'm sorry, but this should be all fixed, I hope, in this version here. So you want to add this, then you will have in this folder in queue stuff and then an umbrella. You will have the script here for the networked umbrella. And then you have the example with the animations, with the materials, the model. Don't ask me why this is here, I'm gonna move this actually to animations really quick. And that's also just going to be the prefabs with the umbrella. You guys can use this model if you want to. It's all made by me, so no worries, you guys can use it. No need for credits at all. So yeah, basically what you want to do is you want to have an animator somewhere that has like animations with, I have like open, like this. By the way, it just will play this animation. Then you also have close, so it's just the same thing with reverse, you know. So, on the PT view, you want to just drag in a Photon view that you just guys can add. Then this Photon view is going to be the PT view. The umbrella is just going to be the animator. So of this thing, put this in here. Then you have the close and the open and the close one. I will talk about this in a second. You also have the trigger hand, which hands trigger you have to press to open up the umbrella. And also of course again the cooldown. You have the audio player, that's just going to play all the audios, so you do not have to use like multiple audio sources. It's just only one. You guys can have your setup in here. I have this one, so it's 3D and you guys cannot hear it everywhere. Which a lot of people do not sadly do, but that's fine. So, the SFX is just going to go in here. Do as many clips as you want, it's just going to play a random one for each one. And yeah, this is as simple as it is. Well, in the animator, you want to double click the controller here. It will open up this little window, and you want to go to parameters, then click plus, and then you want to add trigger. Now those trigger have to have the exact same name, so one for open and one for close. And I also want to drag both of your animation clips into this animator, so you have both of those here, so open and close right here. One thing that you also guys want to make sure is that both of them have loop time disabled. You do not want them to loop, it's just going to be like this. Trust fam, I know what I'm doing. So now you want to right click this and click make transition, and then to click this one here, so it's going to do this transition to here. And now you guys can click the little arrow here, and you want to do, like if this is your open animation, going to close, so it's going to be, the condition is going to be close, so it's this one here, this trigger. Then do the same thing from here, make trigger to this one, then you want to click on that arrow and turn it to open, and on both of those triggers, on like those lines here, you want to turn off has exit time. And now, if you go ahead into your game, it will actually work, people. Trust me, fam. I thought I had like some error, so I paused the video, but no, I do absolutely not have an error. Okay, so there we go. Let me really just go to my Gorilla player. Now I really have to enable the model, so we can actually use this entire thing. Also, yeah, it comes with like the test press thingy. So there you go. If you join and have like equipped, it's just going to do that animation. When you click it again, it's going to close. It has a little delay, don't ask me why that happens. You guys can open it, you can close, you can open, you can close. You cannot spam, as you guys can see. If this would be 0, it's going to look like this. It would be glitchy though, probably, yeah. So you can click it twice and it just goes like close and then open up again. So I would just probably, if you do something high, yeah. Okay, so it looks like the cooldown is not really working, but it is supposed to, cause it works in here. It uses that if it's on cooldown, it doesn't work. If it is not, it's not. It's going to do it. So in the cooldown function, it's going to set this. Don't ask me why it doesn't work. Maybe it's just me being a little bit glitchy. It should work for you though. Yeah, bye bye. Love y'all.